Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today it's a vlog update. Hey my man, can you get Chewy over here? Chewy, I want to speak to Chewy. Chewy, maybe? Hey Chewy, what's up my man? Yeah, so we're gonna have a quick interview, right? So you guys doing this Chinese New Year parade, yes? Cool. Brilliant. Where's Han Solo? What's your name? Han Solo.
Chewy, get your friend over.
Yo, see that? The Jedi returns, the Jedi Force. Check it out. All right, see you later. Thanks, man. I want to give you an update on the 2018 first quarter, and it's been a superb first quarter with tons and tons of reviews, loads of competition on our website. Check out our YouTube, there's loads of videos as well. And Sennheiser was kind enough to send us one of these. It's the digital lavalier mic. I have it right here in my hand. This thing is amazing. So this is the new version. This is the MKE2. The AVX-MKE2. We used the other lower model, the ME2, the AVX-ME2, and it was superb. And this is the updated model. This is the with the same receiver and transmitter, but with a much higher quality mic. So this is the MKE2 mic, and the whole set is like $1,000 US. But we got it at a discount price from Sennheiser, so thank you Sennheiser. We'll be using this for all our videos, blogs, shows, events, everything, because this is a superb wireless lavalier mic. It suits for camcorders as well as DSLRs, and it records on iPhone as well if you've got the adapter, the TRS to TRRS, yes, with those adapters. But yeah, amazing mic, high quality sound as you can see. And we'll be using this. So let's give it a go. It's on right now. All we're going to do is clip this onto my shirt like that. I'm going to tidy it up. You can just put the transmitter in your pocket. So just a recap of all the stuff we've done at the first quarter. We've built a mining rig. We've built 2 gaming chairs. Yeah, we've actually looked at the Zotac Ambox Mini, which is the external GPU enclosure. We also looked at chassis from Cooler Master, motherboards, the mini ITX motherboards, one from ASRock as well as one from Supermicro. We've got tons and tons more reviews on our website, go and check it out. So yeah, it's been a very busy first quarter. We've got tons more things happening. We've got a project build, 2 in fact. One for Cooler Master and one for Thermaltake. As you can see at the back here, got tons of water cooling components. The RGB water block, pump, reservoirs, the whole lot, radiators and all sorts. So we're still after some sponsor for graphics cards. So out there, I know it's going to be a tough a tough ask, but yeah, with all this crypto mining craze going on, so the graphics card's been very hard to get hold of. But I'm hoping if there's any sponsors out there willing to donate 2 graphics cards or more for our project build, that'd be perfect. Oh, just to give you an update on our servers, our brother Yao has been instrumental in keeping this website running nice and smooth. We'll be upgrading to a bigger virtual server with lots more RAM and CPU power, so we'll be looking to give you a better experience with the speed of the pages, uploads and things like that. So watch out for the speed improvements. So thanks Yao for that, and yeah, keep it coming. The more visitors we have, the more support we have, it'd be great. So remember to share, leave comments, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That all helps. Yeah, Tons of competitions as always. Every month they'll be giving you away free prizes. Yeah, so in the next couple of months we have SSDs to give away, RAM, motherboards. All these great prizes are kindly donated by our sponsors, so thank you, and keep it coming. And don't forget, you gotta be in it to win it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as visit our website for all the amazing competitions that are happening right now. So until then, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.